We have here another model, which is test-driven development, TDD. We have exercise about it, this one. First, okay, the test is generating that the code doesn't pass. So here in the next slide, I show you what's mean doesn't pass. What's mean doesn't pass. So that's mean, okay, this is now the same idea. We have to create the test. We have to create the test in this test or TDD. We create the test. After that, we fail our code. We fail this, run this code and have it fail. Okay, we run this code because how we have it fail, we have two step or two way to do that. So this is the first one. After that, code is fixed. So now we have the test. We fail. Okay, we have our any simple code. Okay, of course it will fail. It will fail based on these test cases. What we have to do now, we fix our code. We fix the code to pass these test cases. After that, we refactor the code. Refactor the code. This is, you can say, it's extra work, but it's okay because we just write a simple code and then we pass the test. I mean, we let the test to pass. After that, we have now to check our code again to see maybe there is the code we don't write it properly. So we just refactor the code. Okay, so maybe can maybe you just use the function and see this function is long, and so now you can eliminate some sentence that is replicated. So this is the idea. We have to write the test and then we run the test to, okay, we run our test cases to fail in our code. After that, we fix the code and then we to pass this test. After that, to refactor this code. So guys, the next slide, maybe it's more clear. This is the step of test-driven developments. So as we see, we have the requirement and then we write the test cases for this requirement. Okay. Okay, guys, so they say here request or features. They don't say requirement. Even I write requirement, I say maybe there is no requirement here. They just define, or we can say the feature what they want based on the feature request, right? The test case. Okay, it's better request. After that, you see here the red point, the red, they say, okay, run it and have it fail. We have now, the important thing, we have test, but the code, we just write whatever. So of course it will fail. So that's why they say, run it and have it fail. Okay, this, we have it fail. And then now we have now the test, we try to fix our code. We try to fix our code to pass these test cases, and then we improve the test case or no, improve the code, just refactor the code and clean it. So this is the step. This is the step. So let's see, you have a login screen, and you just, for example, for this login, one requirement is, for example, the user should be 8 characters. Should be 8 characters. So now you should maybe this is, you can say, okay, I will write the test cases. The test cases, for example, I can write 2 test cases. One test cases is the okay, whatever, even one test cases. For example, the test cases, it's 6 characters. So now this is the test cases. You have the name, but with 6 characters. So what you have to do, you will now you will test your code. You don't have even code. You will test, so it will fail because what we write in the fail code, just a simple code, maybe just one sentence, you just print. Okay, can be. And then now we fix the code. How we fix the code? We go to the if statement. We can create if statement in our code, and then we check, okay, if the username length is for example 8 characters or more, so maybe go to the next step, which is, for example, show main menu or main page. So this is what we mean by this step. So we have the test cases, for example, as we can see again, the test cases is the character should be 8 the username should be 8 characters. So how to fail it? Just write whatever code. After that, you write the correct code. The correct code based on this requirement, which is the character should be 8. That means if I will write if the length of username it's greater than 8, so okay. This is to check only the length, not to check if the username is correct or not. Okay, so this is how to write, maybe how to use the test-driven developments. Okay, create the test first and then let it fail. After that, fix your code. Fix your code to meet these test cases. So here, how to test to make your test fail? Just guys, as I told you, just maybe you can write whatever in that test. For they have here 2 options. The first, okay, write the test that reference a function in the code that doesn't exist. Okay, this is the easy one. Okay, you have function is not there, function not there, so it will fail. The second thing we have, this is what we will use in the exercise. We have to call it is assert statement. Assert something like it will alert or it will bomb error. Okay, you just say, okay, now we don't have any code, so this is error. That's all. So this is how to write unit test that fail your code. Okay, guys.